my salon. My name is Alex Momack, and I will treat my model Bennett with a little hair touch. Look at this hair. It's so gross. But what? When we
Who are you calling gross?
listen, and we're going to treat my hair like this.
Don't that look fancy or sexy?
Oh, doesn't he just look fabulous?
Oh yeah.
He looks like JB, except with more blonde hair.
Oh sure, you look like a girl in the last pose, you know.
He's combing his hair with a vacuum cleaner.
Even though we didn't do hair dresser.
No, wait, okay, Alex, turn the vacuum off.
Wait, I'm not done with the finishing touches. I'm going to finishing touches. But you look fabulous. Jack, look.
And this is the TV show 2.5 Men.
Jack. What?
Wow,
What did you say?
you look tired. Yesterday I had a quarter tank of gas. Today, I drove a mile into Topanga Canyon and empty.
Jax look like a girl.
There's no cell coverage up there. So I had to hump all the way back down to the beach to call AAA. Oh, that's a shame. Shame my ass. How the hell did a quarter tank of gas disappear overnight? It's a mystery.
Now let's look at Bennett's hair.
Wait a minute.
Oh my god.